Today, I'm going to be introducing the Mi Laptop Pro. Today, I'm going to give you the Mi Laptop Pro 15. This is a beautifully designed laptop. It is also ultra-thin and lightweighted with powerful performance. It is only 15.9 millimeter thick, so it is very light. It is also dedicated. It adopts the top-level processing technologies. For example, we use the 6 series aerospace-grade aluminum, the CNC unibody manufacturing process, and the 170 ceramic sandblasting processing. This time, the laptop comes in 2 color variants, gray and silver. Let's take a look. Beautiful, isn't it? What about the performance? It boasts the latest Intel Core processor, the 35W processor with i5 and i7. It is also boosted by NVIDIA GeForce MX 450 discrete graphic card. It is also boosted by the advanced cooling system. It is also upgraded to Wi-Fi 6. It also sports 100 watts fast charging. For a laptop like this, we also got the Intel EVO platform certification. And we also used master display for this laptop. We used the best display for the Mi laptop. This is a 3.5K display. It is a retina display. It supports 261 ppi. The precision is even higher than the MacBook. But as we are moving into the high-range market, we actually have higher ambition, and we want this display to be an OLED display.
Eyes. And we also support DC light dimming function. That is on the Xiaomi Laptop Pro that we have for you, the best laptop we have ever produced. How does the display actually feel? Well, it supports 2-in-1 fingerprint and power button. It also has the Lightning interface and full Type-C interfaces. Very high-end. And perhaps you ask, what if I have a different port? Well, we have this for you, a converter, and it supports multiple types of ports, and it comes free of charge. It's complementary with the packaged phones and laptops. There is no laptop with OLED, and second, very few E4 laptop, and the price is only $6,499. 3 specs for you. You can take a photo and go back home and mull over them. It's a 15-inch laptop. Perhaps you think this is too big for you. Don't worry, we also have a 14-inch for you. The difference from the 15-inch is just on the display size. It has a top-grade LCD display, and it supports 2.5K of resolution plus 120 Hz. And with this LCD true color display, it also offers premium user experience. And what about the specs? Well, compared to the Mi Pro 15, the specs are absolutely identical because it uses LCD True Color display. The product also comes with a very competitive price, $5299. Look how bright the LCD display is. Very light as well.